Exercise 3.3, question number 22. It is given as cot x, cot 2x, minus cot 2x, cot 3x, minus cot 3x, cot x equal to 1. Now if you look each of these combinations, you will find that almost all the angles are being combined with each other alternately. Now we will be using both LHS and RHS to prove the result. So as two terms are negative, one of them will be shifted to RHS so that it will be converted as positive. So here we have shifted cot 3x cot x the other side, so it becomes plus cot 3x cot x. Now from the LHS we will take it out the common term, that is cot 2x, that comes out common. Inside the bracket remains cot x minus cot 3x, and in RHS the same thing is carried forward, that is 1 plus cot 3x cot x. Now as cot 2x and the bracket is multiplied, shifting this bracket the other side will go in division. So in LHS remains cot 2x is equal to 1 plus cot 3x cot x divided by cot x minus cot 3x. Now if you look at this formula is of cot x minus y. In the place of x we have 3x, in the place of y we have x. Now cot 2x can be expressed in terms of angle 3x and x as cot 3x minus x. So the formula of cot 3x minus x expressing 2x will become cot 3x cot x plus 1 upon cot x minus cot 3x. It is just similar to the formula of cot x minus y, and we get both these results to be equal. Hence, in 22nd example, we are rearranging the terms by shifting a term towards RHS and then proving the result. 23rd example, it is given as tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x bracket 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus 10 raised to 4x. This is the RHS that we have to prove it. Now LHS, if we see, the angle is 4x and the angle 4x is reduced to angle x. Now taking up LHS, we will be expressing tan 4x as 3x plus x. Now the reason of expressing 3x plus x is we have the value of tan 3x, or we can say the formula of tan 3x we have it, and RHS needs 10x. So 4x is expressed as one angle as 3x and other angle as x. Now here if you see, it gives us the formula of tan x plus y. Tan x plus y formula is t plus t upon 1 minus tt. But in the place of x we have 3x, in the place of y we have x. So using the formula of tan x plus y in tan 3x plus x, we get tan 3x plus tan x upon 1 minus tan 3x tan x. We already have the formula of tan 3x. That formula is 3 tan x minus 10 cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. So wherever tan 3x is there, we need to substitute the formula. Plus tan x is as it is, divided by 1 minus, again in the place of tan 3x, the formula is being kept and tan x is as it is. Now as the fractions are there, we need to take LCM. So the LCM is 1 minus 3 tan square x, both up and down. So multiplying this with tan x and multiplying 1 minus 3 tan square x with 1, we get 3 tan x minus 10 cube x as it is, plus tan x 1 minus 3 tan square x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x minus 3 tan x. This tan x is multiplied with both of them. So 3 tan x into tan x will give minus 3 tan square x. Minus minus will make it plus. So 10 cube x into tan x will give 10 raised to 4x. Multiplying and opening this bracket, we get 3 tan x minus 10 cube x plus tan x minus 3 tan cube x whole divided by, now the like terms are to be added downside. So 1 minus 6 minus 3 will give minus 6 tan square x plus 10 raised to 4x as it is. Now in the numerator, 3 tan x plus tan x will give 4 tan x, minus 10 cube x minus 3 tan cube x will give minus 4 tan cube x divided by, the denominator remains as it is, 1 minus 6 tan square x plus 10 raised to 4x. Now to get the RHS, in the numerator we will be removing out 4 tan x common. So inside the bracket remains 1 minus 10 square x divided by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus 10 raised to 4x, and that is what is the RHS. 24th one, given is cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x. It is just similar to the previous example, 23rd. There it was given tan 4x and we express it as tan 3x plus x. Now instead of 10 we have got cos. So cos 4x we will express it as cos 3x plus x. Now this expression should be taken in such a way that the formula of 3x is known to us, as well as in the RHS the angle from 4x is getting reduced to x. So one of the angle is to be kept as x. That is how the adjustment is being done. Now we got here cos 3x plus x, means we have to make use of cos x plus y formula. Now cos x plus y formula is cc minus ss. Instead of x we have 3x, instead of y we have x. So using cc minus ss, we have cos 3x cos x minus sin 3x sin x. Now cos x and sin x we will keep it as it is. In the place of cos 3x, we will use the formula of cos 3x as 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. This cos x is as it is. In the place of sin 3x, we will use 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x sin x. So the formula of cos 3x and sin 3x is being used to reduce the angle from 3x to x. As in RHS, the angles are in terms of x. So we have to use the formula or apply the formula in such a way that 3x gets reduced to x. So these two are the formulas. Opening the bracket, multiplying cos with both, multiplying sine with both, we get 4 cos 4x minus 3 cos square x minus 3 sine square x minus minus plus 4 sine raised to 4x. Now after expanding it, we will be combining the terms which are having the same degree. Same degree means the power is same. So 4 cos raised to 4x, 4 sine raised to 4x is having the same power as 4. So they are being combined. The remaining 2 is having the same power as square. So they are being combined. Minus 3 taking out common. Inside the bracket becomes cos square x plus sine square x. 4 cos raised to 4x plus 4 sine raised to 4x are being taken together. From both, 4 comes out common. Inside the bracket remains cos 4x plus sine 4x. And as cos square x plus sine square is 1, so minus 3 only remains. Now to simplify this bracket, when the power is 4, most of the time we use the method of adding the middle term and subtracting the middle term. So the middle term of cos 4x and sine 4x will become 2 sine square x cos square x. As we are adding it, we have to subtract it also. So 2 sine square x cos square x added and subtracted as minus 2 sine square x cos square x. This is the only way to adjust the perfect square formula. Now 4 remains as it is. If you combine the 3 of them, it gives a perfect square formula of cos square x plus sine square x whole square minus 2 sine square x cos square x remains as it is, minus 3 is as it is. Now this gives the value as 1 as per the identity. So 1 is kept in its place, minus 2 sine square x cos square x as it is, minus 3 as it is. Now multiplying 4 with both. So 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 2 becomes 8. Sine square x cos square x minus 3 is as it is. Now subtracting 4 minus 3 becomes 1 minus 8 sine square x cos square x. That is the final answer after simplifying it, and that is the RHS. Now if you look at it, in this example, initially the application of the formula has taken place for cos 3x and sin 3x. After that, the usual simplification forms are being taken or method is being applied in such a way that we are left out only with 1 minus 2 sine square x cos square x multiplied by 4 minus 3. So the method of simplification is very important. The most important step is applying the formula of cos 3x, sin 3x, and the next step is adding the middle term and subtracting the middle term. So these two steps are very important. 25th example is again prove that, and it is given as cos 6x is equal to 32 cos raised to 6x minus 48 cos raised to 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. This is the RHS which is to be proved. Now if you compare the angle both the side, 6x is reduced to x. Now to start with this LHS, 6x angle is expressed as 2 3x. So cos 2 3x, 6x x is being expressed. Now the formula of cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. Instead of x, now we have 3x. So we will be keeping it in the place of x as 3x. So formula becomes 2 cos square 3x minus 1. Now cos 3x formula we already know it. That will be kept in the place of cos 3x. So 2 remains as it is. Putting the value of formula of cos 3x as 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x whole square. So we have converted this 3x in terms of x by using the formula, and the square remains as it is, and minus 1 is again carried forward as it is. Now using the formula of a minus b whole square, we get it as 16 cos 6x minus middle term becomes minus 24 cos raised to 4x. Last term is 9 cos square x minus 1 carried forward. 2 is outside the bracket. Now after using a minus b whole square formula, 2 is multiplied with all the terms inside the bracket. So 2 into 16 becomes 32 cos 6x minus 2 into 24 is 48 cos raised to 4x plus 2 into 9 18 cos square x, and minus 1 is carried forward as it is. And if you look at this RHS, it is just same. So here, while using the formula of cos 2x, we have used the second form of it, or the third form, 2 cos square x minus 1. So this is the most important step. We haven't taken the formula of cos square x minus sin square x. Reason, we don't need sin square or sin in the RHS. So the formula of cos 2x is being used where only cos is there. So this is how the judgment of the formula is to be done. What is needed in the RHS, according to that the formula will be applied.